In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy J7 Star so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the technology that's coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Let's jump right in and show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. The first step is to go to the phone app and go to the dialer. And we need to get your IMEI, so you're going to dial *#06#. That's going to bring up our IMEI. Make sure you write this first number down. You're going to need that for the unlock. Go back home and go to Google Chrome. And here we are going to type in the unlockingcompany.com. And once you get to the website, you will need to answer a couple of questions. So the manufacturer, which is Samsung, the model of the phone, so Galaxy J7 Star. A lot of J7s, as we can see. Click on Unlock Now. On the next screen, it'll have a couple more prompts that will ask about where you purchased the phone. So the country, the carrier. Click Next again, and on this next page, it will ask for the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, and also your contact information. So we'll tap here and go ahead and enter the IMEI. You're gonna put in your first name and last name and your email address. And your phone number. Before you hit order now, you'll want to swipe down and read this disclaimer. It's basically going to tell you that when you unlock the phone, you'll be able to now use the phone with any GSM carrier, and you will not be able to use the phone with CDMA carriers. So just an example, AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Cricket, Consumer Cellular, these are all considered GSM carriers. And companies like Verizon, Sprint, Boost Mobile, C-Spire, those are considered CDMA carriers, which you cannot use a GSM phone on. So it's important for you to check the carrier that you want to use the phone with and make sure it's a GSM carrier. You can also go on, usually you can go on whatever their website is, and they have a bring your own phone compatibility link that you can basically type in the model of the phone and they can tell you if the phone will work on the network or not. So do that due diligence first, because the last thing you want to do is unlock the phone and then it not work on the carrier you want to use it with. So make sure it's a compatible carrier with the phone you have. Next, here you'll find the average price to unlock this phone for other companies. Next, you're going to power down the phone. Just hold the power button, tap power off. You're going to grab the SIM tool that you'll find in the box that you purchased the phone in. If you can't find this tool, just look for a paper clip, and on the left side, on the lower bottom, you'll find the SIM card tray. You'll input that to get it to pop out. Take out your old SIM card and put in the SIM card of the new service you're trying to use. Hold down the power button to restart the phone. And at this point, you will want to refer to the either email or text that you get from the unlocking company with the final instructions. The process to unlock the phones changes a lot. So in our old videos, we used to walk you through the whole process, and we found out that it was frequently changing and that the ends weren't relevant. So we're going to stop the video here. Wait till you get that email or text from the company with the final steps. And if you have any issues, again, go back to their website and make sure you connect to their support and have them walk you through the end if you have trouble. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button. We will drop a link in the description below as well with the website. and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions or any thoughts about the video. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.